Before Mortgage Pass, I spent decades working with different businesses across industries, including construction, manufacturing, and wholesale. I've also owned businesses and worked alongside people chasing their goals, growing their businesses, and building wealth. Like many of my clients, I've experienced the ups and downs that life brings. Those experiences gave me a deep appreciation of financial stability, good advice, and having someone in your corner. Those experiences taught me that financial decisions are not just about numbers. Behind every application, there is a family wanting security, a business owner chasing their dream, someone buying their first home, or someone wanting to create a better future. That's why I started Mortgage Pass. I wanted people to have someone in their corner who genuinely understands both finance and life. Today, my purpose is simple. Everything we recommend has one purpose: to improve your financial position so you have more choices, greater security, and the freedom to build the life you want.